This is how you make a statement on the beach. Oh, Boo is doing me. It's giving me that vibe right now. Like, did I just buy another black cycling short? What's in the problem? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back again with another fashion video. Yeah, it's a Boo haul. I went on Boo, I splurged. Guys, what if I tell you that everything that I put in my cart cost $1,000? But all on they had a 50% off going on. So after applying the discount code, my order came down to about $480. I paid for expedite shipping, which was $15, which made my order a total of $495, as you guys can see on the screen. I'm not sure if the numbers are correct, but I'm gonna put it on the screen. Boo is one of those websites that you can actually get lost on, picking, and before you know, your cart is full. Shipping wise, everything was great. I think they shipped out exactly a day after I placed my order. In my last misguided haul video, I really didn't like my setup for that, which kind of prompts me to do a new setup for you guys. I hope you guys like this setup. I have my mirror here just so when I try it on, you all can see. Before I go further in this video, if today is your first time, welcome. My name is Sugar. Be a part of this cool gang. We're cool here, guys. Be a part of us. Subscribe below, and if you're a sub, welcome back. My package came in these two huge packs. I'm gonna open the big one first. Let's go through this together. Let's try it on, and yeah. The first thing here is a Camilla polka dot blazer dress. This is in a US 8. I'm actually a US 6, but when I order stuff online, I like to get a size up. Material, Boo good. Let's try this on. Holy gracious, guys. Woo! Let's button up. I like the fit. It fits really well. I like when a long sleeve fits properly. I like it. Like it just a little bit going on right here, but we can work with it. We can work with it, not bad at all. So the next thing is also a blazer. When I was ordering these pieces, for some reason I was overly in love with blazers. Everything that I saw on Boo that has to do with blazers was just calling my name. Sugar, pick me. Sugar, pick me. So this is another blazer, and it is called Rare Longline Stripe Colored Pocket Detail Blazer. Material is too, I don't know, I just like, this is not summer like the material, but let's try it on. So guys, this is a blazer on. Like I said, the material feels tight, and to be honest, this is not what I expected from this blazer. I don't know, I don't like the material. The fit, not so much, because I don't know, am I supposed to like wear it with a different top inside? Maybe I'm gonna try that. Maybe. Do you guys like it? Let me know in the comment section below. So the next item is this, which I'm sure it's a top. So I'm gonna get it off right now because I don't want all my breast on camera, and put it on for you guys to see. This is just a regular tee. I love the oversized. Actually, this summer, all I want to do is just be free. I'm not about to put myself in some banded skirt, banded blouse and stuff. I love this, and I think I bought cycling short just to wear along with this. Like, and if you want to zhuzh things up, you want to make things look a little bit better, let me pair it with a fanny pack. Roll off the sleeve, and there you have it. I think this is really cool for a casual day out, you know. I like it. The next thing I have is a Maya Eye waist pom-pom trim short. Woo, guys, I like this. I like the material. Well, I'm not gonna speak much about the material. Let's just try this on. This is what the shirt looks like. I like it, guys. Do you guys like this? Oh my goodness. Oh god, guys, I'm just gonna do a quick pairing with this blouse right here. Let me know what you think if you're gonna wear it this way, okay? I love this. I don't even know what to say. I love it. This short is my favorite so far. Moving on to this. This is a Petite poppy chain print woven shirt dress. Nice material, chiffon. It's a chiffon material, I believe. Let me try this on. Guys, look at this dress. I love this. How do I look? Everything popping. Oh my goodness, I'm such a mess. I'm keeping this for sure. Moving on to this item. This is a asymmetrical midi dress, and it's red. And I'm gonna try this on. This is what the red dress looks like on. I don't know, it's kind of giving me a vibe of orange on camera, but guys, I love this. Boohoo is doing me. It's giving me that vibe right now. This is another keep. I'm keeping it. Moving on to this. I actually got some pieces from Zendaya's line because I think Zendaya had a collaboration with Boohoo. I did buy a few things from her line. So this is one of it, and it is striped satin Ruffle maxi dress. Material is satin like we expected. I mean, it's okay. Let's try it on. To be honest, guys, I don't know what is going on right now. But did I buy a wrong size? Let me check the size that I bought. I got it in the size 10. I think it's because it was almost sold out. They only had 10 left. For some reason, I thought, oh, it's a maxi dress, so it should fit either ways. Let me see if I can find a solution to this. I think I need someone else to help me with this. I think I like this, regardless of this whole situation we have going on right here. I think I like this. I like it. On to this. These are another item from Zendaya's line on Boohoo, and it's the tailored suit trousers with the jacket. I'm gonna try this on together and show you guys what it looks like. Guys, this is the set. What is going on right now? For number one, it's too shiny, and I picked out this color because pastel color is in trend right now, and I felt this was gonna be a good one, but I don't like the fit at all. I want to like it so badly because of the color and because it's a suit, and that's obviously in trend right now, but I just don't like it. I don't like how it fits on me. Can you guys see how it looks at the back from the mirror? I have a mixed feeling about this. I don't know, the color, the material looks so shiny. It looks like something that my tailor in Nigeria would make. Not for nothing, they would probably even make it better if they had my measurement. Let's move right along to the next item. This is not so. The next few items I'm going to be showing you guys will be together because I don't want to go back and forth. And I think this is 2 Sequin shirts in different colors, a crop top, and a white regular blouse. This is the Sequin shirt with the crop top. I love this. I think I'm going to be wearing exactly like this. I love the fit, and I'm all in for Sequin shirt this summer, guys. I love it. So the next thing is another Sequin shirt that I already told you guys about. This is the other Sequin shirt. I changed to the other blouse I showed you guys earlier on. This is the other blouse that I showed you guys earlier. I don't know. Do you guys think it works better with this blouse or a longer blouse? But let me know what you think. I don't know. I don't know. But anyways, this is this blouse with this Sequin shirt. But the next item is this Fringe shirt and the jacket. So this is the shirt and this is the jacket. I'm currently obsessed with denim jacket. I wasn't really into it in the past years, but right now you could check out my Instagram, guys. I'm all in for denim jackets right now. Let's pair this and see how it fits. So guys, this is the jacket and the shirt paired together. Do you guys feel like this is doing too much? I don't know. Should I keep this? I have a mixed feeling. When I was buying it, I love it. I like the jacket, but the green and pink, everything just doesn't sit right with me. Let me know if you want me to keep this. Moving on to this Petite Tina sequence neck slip dress. Jesus. So this is it. Do you guys hear the sound? So what do you guys think of this? Excuse the bra. I won't be pairing it with this bra for sure. But I mean, it's a lot of work to do try on unboxing, guys. I kid you not. In fact, I need water. But to be honest, I thought it was gonna be snug and fitted a little bit more. I think I like this, but This is not what I want out of this dress. So this might actually be going back. Moving on to this tropical set. I bought it because I'm kind of planning a trip to an island. And I feel like this is going to be really, really good for that. This is a crop top. And oh, actually, this is a maxi dress. It's a tropical maxi dress. So which one should I try on first? Let me try this on first. Guys, I love this. I knew I was gonna like it. Again, excuse the bra. Let's just move right along. I love the fit, guys. I'm gonna wear this to the beach for sure. I love the cut. Do you guys see it from the mirror? Love it. I don't know. So now moving on to this crop top and short set that I showed you earlier. This is how you make a statement on the beach. You're serving them faces and body at the same time. Let's see the bottom. You guys see? At least you can see from the mirror. I love it. So the next thing is a sunglasses. I've been wanting to have one of these really oval sunglasses for ages, and I hope this does fit me. Oh my god! Am I crazy for screaming? Look at this. Oh, I can't even see right now. Everywhere is so dark. Ah, I like this. Another favorite of mine. I'm not taking off these glasses, guys. I'm not. Why do I have to take it off? Let's just roll with it. I bought like 3 crop tops from Boohoo that you can wear with your cycling shirt. I should have paired it together with the cycling shirt, but this was far down in the bag, so I didn't see this until now because we're almost done. This is just... Wait. Actually, this is another cycling shirt. Do I have a problem? Like, did I just buy another black cycling shirt? What's in the problem? Okay, this is a cycling shirt, not a crop top. I'm sure this is a crop top. This is a crop top. So this is what it looks like. This is it. I could pair it with one of those, you know, jacket that I had and just look okay instead of showing off my bra on camera, but I kind of forgot. This doesn't have a strap. So this is just a normal tube and it's in red. Moving on to another tropical situation. And this is for sure a pants. Look at this. Now I need to take off my glasses because I'm doing too much. For sure, I'm not gonna be pairing it with this because it's too much. But this is what the pant looks like. I like it, and it has like a slit in front of it. Oh, guys, do you like this? The next item, of course, is another tropical top. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna try it on, but the material is good. So, guys, this is the blouse. I like it. Like, why do I keep saying I like it? Maybe because I do like it. Look at it from the mirror. Yeah, I like this blouse. Let me know what you think of everything in the comment section, guys. I love this. I love this. The last thing that I have at this, a pink J'adore blouse and a white jacket. I told you guys I'm obsessed with jacket. So what I'm gonna do right now is pair this with the black cycling shirt I showed you guys earlier and with this, if that makes sense. Would it make sense? Pink, black, white. Let's see. So guys, I forgot the jacket was a crop jacket, so I'm not gonna, I mean, to be honest, I'm not gonna pair it with this, but this is the tee that says J'adore in front of it and the black cycling shirt. Guys, this is the denim jacket with the red tube and a black cycling shirt. I love this one. I feel you can go out in this. I think I kind of lost daylight lighting already and makes this part a little bit dark, but we're gonna roll with it with dawn. So guys, that is the end of today's video. If you like any of these items, check the description bar below. I'm gonna put a link to everything that I got, and if there's anything you like on me, tell me in the comment section. Let me know. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, tell your friends to watch. Okay, what else? Follow me on Instagram, add me on Snapchat, and I will see you guys next time on My Life as Sugar.